You want to go do something fun today?
Yes.
How about we go see monster trucks?
Yeah!
What's your favorite monster truck?
It's Monster Mutt.
Cool. Nathan, which monster truck do you like the most?
Happy Monster Luck.
Yeah. Oh, the zombie monster truck. Awesome.
Which way do we go?
All right, guys, we're here. You guys ready to go see some monster trucks? All right, guys.
Good morning. Now you can hear me right
Good
now.
morning. This is the super secret entrance. Oh yeah. All right, come on. Come on, Nathan.
Excited for the show.
Oh, they are so jazzed. They've been talking about this for a week. You gotta do a high five. We gotta hook a sister up. They're right there. Oh,
Wait a minute.
swing and miss.
Thank you.
Oh, one more right there. Let's go. Yeah.
Daddy.
Now they're just going to the floor.
All right.
Thank you.
Daddy.
All right, let's get your jacket, buddy. Gotta stay close. Yeah. Must be the victims coming up.
Yes.
All right, buddies, come on, hurry up. Oh, this is cool. All right, this is Emily. She's getting us our hookups here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt's right up here. Oh, that's a big.
Come on up here, guys.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and do a little picture.
Turn around.
Hey, turn around, Nathan.
Right there.
Hey, Nathan, say cheese, buddy. Cheese. You fish at all?
Huh? A little bit, every now and then. But
You fish for catfish?
no, not yet.
That's all right. Jesus still loves you, man. All right. Hey, thanks for your time, man.
Absolutely.
We're really excited about the show.
Thank you, man.
All right,
Appreciate it.
good
Thanks
luck
for coming
out
out,
there.
guys. Thank you.
Okay, I forgot my glasses in the car, and these are prescription, so I won't be able to see anything without here. So I feel like a jerk running around indoors with my sunglasses on. Oh, El Toro Loco. Do you want to go see the zombie monster truck? Are you a zombie, Nathan? Hi.
Hi.
Come up and say hi.
Can we get high fives? Ah, there we go.
Hey, Tommy, you want up there too?
You ready?
Yeah, his zombie monster truck's his favorite.
You like zombie? There you go. Want to touch him? Come here. Come here, I'll give you a boost up there. Ready? Good job.
Hey.
All right, you guys want to take a picture? Come here.
Tommy, turn around. You guys, stick your arms out and say
Arms out.
brains. Look at that, brains. Yeah. Awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Have fun.
Come on. It's getting packed in here, and it's not even close to showtime. It's the Max D. Perfect. Oh, and there we go. Now, oh, you got the Monster Mutt Rottweiler, and you got a zombie monster truck. And Emily hooked us up with some tickets, so I have no idea where these tickets are at. So really jazzed to see what we got.
Once again, pit party is now closed. Let's hear it one more time for our Toro Loco, Mark Bliss. When you're out there on the track,
See, there's Tommy. I can see Tommy.
up next we have Max D, Jared.
There's Tommy. Mutt. Yeah, there's the zombie arms.
To take the lead. Your lead is still Red Digger with a 10 points.
All right, guys, should we go get, let's go get some food, shall we?
Your winner.
All right, guys, you guys want food? Let's go get some food. Yeah, Monster Mutt.
In the Monster Jam Donut competition. Like we have Wonder Woman selected as well.
Go Monster Mutt! Whoa! No. Nathan, are you kissing the zombie?
Next team with 32, followed by Red Digger with 27. The overall event champion, Team Backstage Pit Party.
Tommy, did you have fun, bud? Are you sad that Monster Mutt lost? Sorry about Monster Mutt, man. Woo. Come on, Nathan. Yeah. All right, go catch it with Tommy. Go catch it with Tommy.
Yes, Mommy, a new toy.
All right. Is it a monster
Monster
truck?
Mutt.
Nate loves his zombie monster truck so much. I had to tell him to stop kissing it repeatedly, and to not lick the stadium seats. That was another issue.
Oh, gee. Okay, well, I love you and I'll see you soon.
All right, babe. I'll see you soon. Hey, Nathan. Did you have fun with the monster trucks today? Good. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more great videos from the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. We put out new videos every week. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll get notified when we put out another great video.